Alright, let's go.
If you love your games,
I call this bike.
What?
I call this bike. It's for the video. It's the fastest bike. It'll be the best view for everybody. You know I can't. Jude, you know I can't ride in the dark by myself. I need you for this video. Alright.
Is it video? No. Pause the video.
What? What?
I'm fixing the rack here. That'll get this straight. Because when you ride it, right? You can cry if I fell and broke my arm.
Well, it would be scary, yeah.
Oh, I would be. I'll tell you if I could pass out and fell and broke my arm.
Alright. We got the video recorded and everything. So, yeah, let's go up the street and everything.
Hopefully you don't see any scary ghosts.
Yeah, we might see a ghost, guys.
I'm not actually kidding. So, you know our house, Sam?
Yeah.
And the people next to us, they're weird. And they have a fire in them. Like, they're really weird. So, shit, I hear a truck.
What?
I hear a truck. Shoot.
Aren't you scared as balls right now?
What?
Aren't you scared as balls right now?
Of what?
Aren't you scared as balls right now?
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah. One thing can get me, bro, one small thing, like a fucking cat, is gonna make me turn the fuck around.
I'll be like, oh, I've been on the stage and I'm am I gonna do that?
I know.
What is that? I'm just kidding.
Stop. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Wrong. Let's smell a fire.
Yeah, it's from that house over there.
People are weird. I want to stare. I literally
Imagine I dropped my phone. That would be shit.
Oh, I saw it stop sign. He gave me the key. Those people are nice. People right there. When my lawnmower broke down, they literally, oh yeah. When I was talking my lawnmower, it broke down, and those people waved at us. And I think they waved at us. They're nice. People who don't wave at you, they're just a brat. Because they should wave at you. Somebody waves at you, you gotta wave at them back. I don't know, she probably just looking at us.
Yeah, let's go back. Forget this video. I'm not.
Why that be forget YouTube or something? Apparently these people are so weird. I don't like it. Make me what I'm gonna shoot. Alright, do not look behind me. Someone's behind us. What is that? It's running like silence. Coyote bear.
All right, that's the end of the video. And we rode for 5 minutes and 30 seconds.